Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to transfer files to and from your iPad. Using AirDrop is another easy and convenient way to move data between iOS devices. You can complete the process through your iPads without using a computer or any third-party software. But on the downside, AirDrop has some limitations. Like, it requires both WLAN and Bluetooth to be enabled on both devices. It only works with devices that are within about 10 meters or 30 feet. It only works on iPhone 5 or later, iPad generation or later, iPad mini, iPad touch, 5th generation or later, and Mac running OS X Lion. It is only compatible with iOS 7 and later. Now, you can follow this video to AirDrop files between Apple devices. First, go to the Photos app on your old iPad and select the photos you'd like to send to your new iPad. Tap on the Share button, click AirDrop and choose your new iPad or new iPhone. On your new iPhone, click Accept when a prompt asking you whether to accept the photos from your old iPad. When somehow you have the AirDrop not working problem, you can also try the following methods to transfer file between iPads. The other method, transfer data from iPad to iPad via iTunes. Restore your new iPad from iCloud backup. And transfer files from iPad to iPad via iCloud. Then transfer data from one old iPad to new iPad using automatic setup. And last, transfer data from one iPad to another with EaseUS Mobi Mover. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.